Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a Toys R Us haul. If you haven't heard, Toys R Us is going out of business, and so I'm taking advantage of it. I'm sure Amazon, where I'm shipping all this stuff to, probably put them out of business, but I'm going to show you exactly what I bought and how much money I spent. So I've got my Toys R Us haul here. I'm going to open up everything and show you. And then I've got two mystery items that are ginormous that I'm going to show you at the end of the video, okay? So I spent a total of $446.43. And most of it was 50% off. A few things were 40% off. So I'm just going to walk through and show you everything that we got. And then I'm going to move it out of the way so I can open up some of these smaller bags. So I bought 4 of these Paw Patrol microphone and amplifiers. These were 50% off, and so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There were more on the shelf, but I decided only to get 4 because it was kind of a big expenditure to get these. And then I've got the Disney Minnie Mouse version of the same thing, microphone and amplifier. And if you notice, everything that I bought usually has some sort of a name brand to it, Disney or Paw Patrol. A lot of the actual Target brand items did not pull up on the Amazon catalog. So I'd have to create a listing, and to me it's not worth it. And then it would have no sales rank. I bought 3 of these. As you can see, I've got 1 here and then 2 sitting up over there of these toothless dragon. It looks like barrel roll toothless. So dragon wings. It's a really neat kind of figurine. So I've got 3 of these. 1. And then here's the other 2. 2, 3. And there were more of these on the shelf, so I'm just going to see how they move. The sales rank was not as low as I really wanted, so I didn't buy a ton of them. And then I've got these True Heroes kind of military boat, you know, with the winds, and then it comes with a tank, but it's really, really huge. And I found that because it was 50% off, a lot of the items that were larger ended up being a better deal, simply because, here's a different view, simply because the percentage off made much more of a difference for me. So, True Heroes Sentinel 1 boat. So I've got 2 of those, 1 and 2. And then, like I said, I'm going to show you these mystery ones when I get done. But I've got a couple of bags of smalls that I want to show you. Obviously, I always usually go towards the smalls simply because they're easy to ship. They're lightweight. They don't cost a lot to store in the warehouse. These things over here are going to cost a little bit more. So I found these Cars microphones. I've got a multitude of those. These were a really, really good find. It looks like I've got 5 of the Cars microphones. And so these are first act discovery. So they're basically like toddler or baby toys. So they have different buttons and make different noises. So I'm going to leave those stacked here. And then I found these Barbie microphones. Not everybody is ungated in Barbie, but I am. So I've got 2 of those. Nope, there's only 2 of those. I thought I had more, but I don't. And then my big score was finding all of these Star Wars figurines, and I have mostly this guy right here. His name is, I'm looking. He's got a zip line with him, and then, you know, he's just like the black soldier. K2SO is what it looks like his name is. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, but I have a ton of him. And I've got a few other different kinds, but most of them are him. So I'm just going to kind of stack them out here for you to see. Got a lot of them. So these are going to be a really, really good sell for me. I think I can make about $5 a piece on him. Anywhere from 3 to 5 depending on how much competition I have. And then I've got this. This is Avec. Let me see. Her name is Sabine Wren. So this is from the Star Wars Rebels series, Sabine Wren. So I've got a few of her. Here's some more of these guys. Here's another Sabine. Here's another one of the soldiers. Like I said, I found a ton of him. Another Sabine. Another Sabine. I've got some other figurines in here that I'll pull out in a minute and show you. Not Star Wars, they're a different kind. Soldier. So most of them are this, which is going to make it really nice when it comes to listing, because I've got so many of the same kind that it'll be one listing and then just throw all the labels on. And here's a Sabine. I'm only telling you if I pull out a different one from the Soldier. The rest of them have been Soldiers. All right, I think that is it. So those are all my Star Wars figurines. Those were my biggest find that I really was excited about. And then I have Disney Fairies Tinkerbell. 2 of those. And those were on sale. And then I found one figurine of this, I think it's a American Girl Lego. Welly Wishers, I think. Maybe it's not American Girl, but it's a little Lego that was definitely worth something. So, that is all I have for my Toys R Us haul, but I want to show you my big boppers, which actually didn't cost me very much. There are 2 items under here, and they cost me $35 a piece, and I can make really, really good money on them. So I'm super excited, but it's going to be a pain to ship them to the warehouse, and I'm sure usually when I have a large item, they make me ship it really, really far away. So the unveiling, please. Dun, 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 drum roll. Giant bubblegum machines. So I have 2 of them. They had more than this there, but because they were so large, I didn't want to buy any more than just 2 because I don't know how quickly they'll sell. They had a little bit of a higher sales rank, but I think it's because they're so large. And so I'm going to send these 2 in because I don't want to spend outrageous fees because they are going to be higher in fees, but I can definitely make more than $35 on these. And so I'm really excited about this. I'd like to do a follow-up if I get one to sell and let you know kind of how much they do sell for. But this is my Toys R Us haul. Remember, there's also Babies R Us, and anytime you see some sort of a store closing, take advantage of it. It can be beneficial to you. Most of the things in Toys R Us kind of evened out right at what they were going for on Amazon, but I did find a few little nuggets in here, and I hope this has been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.